latch crochet, this one, it usually has this small latch that closes when you're pulling out. So you insert it through one of the mat meshes hole and through another like this. You insert and then through the other. Then remember your pom-poms had these loose threads, so you hook one of them like this and then you pull. You see your latch closes, so you pull it all the way out like that. So using the other loose end of the pom-pom, you tie this like that, so your pom-pom has already held in place. You might need to repeat that. So you see it holds, and this is how it looks like on the other side. So let me try with a different color and show you again. So we have a white pom-pom with the loose threads. So you insert your crochet into one of the holes of the mat mesh and through the other like this. If you like, you can even insert through 2 holes like that. So you insert until the latch is on the other end, and then you hook only one loose thread of the pom-pom like this. You pull out all the way, and then you use this other end to tie. Then you tie this. So you fill your mat mesh with all these pom-poms, and once you're done, all you will need to do is to cut these loose threads, these ones. So this is how it looks like on the other side. Very neat actually. So just cut this. Here you have your mat mesh. You might need a crochet, and then you have made your pom-poms, different colors. I have red and white, so I will just illustrate with a few. So remember you had these hanging threads. So what you do is take your crochet and then take one hole of the mat mesh. You are going to insert from the underside like this, and then hook the loose end like that. So you need to hook both ends. So you have that one, and then skip one hole. You can skip this, and then the other loose end, this one, you hook it and you pull. So on the other side you have the 2 ends. Just make a knot. And you're done. All you will need now is to trim these edges. So fill your mat mesh with as many pom-poms as you can, different colors if you want. So I have another pom-pom, so I will take my mat mesh and then insert my crochet on this side. If you have the other crochet that has a latch, it's okay. So take one of the loose edges of the pom-pom, hook it and pull through to the other side. There you go. Then take another hole, and then the remaining edge, this one, hook it hook it and pull, and then on the other side here you are, make a knot. So basically that's how you make your pom-pom rag. I have one here that I have made with red. It looks really beautiful. So here it is. So I was thinking, since there are some gaps here and I don't want it to be all red, I can use more pom-poms, like a different color like this one, and insert it here. So I will take this on the underside, I will insert my crochet like this, then I will hook one of the loose ends of my pom-pom like that. I will pull it, so here it is like this, and then the remaining end, this one, I will hook it and pull it, and then I will tie this, and then I will tie these ends and trim them much later. So these ends, so I'll just trim very close. So make your rag with as many colors as you want. If there are loose threads like this, you can trim them. So in the end, you're going to have a better pom-pom rag. So you can have something else there. So this one, I'm just placing it, but I will. So there you have it. That's your pom-pom rag. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free of charge. All you need to do is to scroll down below the video you just watched, click on subscribe, and then click on the notification bell so that you get notified when new videos upload. Thanks again for watching.